Bagi juma manyien.
Wadhi kaunti Mameru kama Pogruok kind Gavana Mameru kod mano Gavana Kawira Mwangaza kod jalupne Isaac Mutuma uchako neno tok malingling wuok ni Oma Mutuma gache mar tich. Romo mane obedo odhiambo makawuono jagoro mar kaunti no Kiamia Athiru oseyo Mutuma kuom rem chopo e romo mar piny owacho no kodwaro mondo oduok penjo matut ewi wachno. Kata kamano Athiru okwedo bedo gi gwandruok e kind jotelogo. Gwandruok ne nitiere kinde machien e kinde Gavana Kawira kod moko kuom MCAs ma kaunti no.
What has made us to come here is because we missed the deputy governor in our meeting and there was no apology. He had not sent the apology to Her Excellency the Governor. One of the areas that he is accusing the governor of is that his vehicle was taken away, was confiscated. He still has his official car. The other vehicle that was taken, it was found being misused, and therefore it was taken for a while as we carry out investigations.
We've learned for a few days that there was a trip that was deputy governor was supposed to travel to UK to US that was cancelled. I want to make it very clear to the people of Kenya that there is no trip that was ever planned for a visit from Meru County to US.